Disney star turned new mom. Skai Jackson is back in the headlines with big life changes. Let's dive into her story, learn some new English words, and uncover what's next for her. Stick around to learn English through this trending celebrity story. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English Through Story, where we learn English through real stories. Today, we're exploring the life of Skai Jackson, a name you might know from her Disney Channel days on Jessie and Bunk'd. But Skai's story has taken a surprising turn, and there are so many great words and phrases to learn. Let's get into it. Skai Jackson's new chapter. Skai Jackson, a former Disney star, has confirmed her pregnancy at 22. She told People magazine, "I'm thrilled to begin this new chapter in my life, embracing motherhood and diving into new acting projects." Let's learn some key English phrases from her story. New chapter. This phrase means starting a new part of life, often after a big change. For example, graduating from college is a new chapter. Embracing motherhood. Embracing means accepting something with excitement. When Skai says she's embracing motherhood, she means she's happy to become a mother. Career background. Learning through her journey. Skai first gained fame as Zuri on Disney Channel's Jessie. But after leaving Disney in 2018, she explored other roles, such as voice acting and competing on Dancing with the Stars. This kind of career change can be called broadening one's horizons. Let's learn some more English vocabulary. Broadening horizons. To broaden your horizons means trying new things outside your comfort zone, like Skai did after Disney. Her challenges and support system. This year, Skai faced some public challenges. In August, she was in the news for a minor altercation with her boyfriend. Despite this, she found strength in her support system, especially her mom, Kia Cole. Skai shared, "My mom taught me to stand up for myself and what I believe in." Let's look at some key English phrases here. Support system. This phrase means the people who help you in life. Your support system can be friends, family, or mentors. Standing up for oneself. To stand up for oneself means to defend one's beliefs or values. Upcoming projects and Skai's life lessons. As Skai prepares for motherhood, she's also excited to continue acting, with a new movie, The Man in the White Van, coming soon. Let's add one more phrase. Looking forward to. This means being excited about something in the future. Skai is looking forward to both her baby and her career. Skai Jackson's journey is filled with life lessons and new beginnings. Which phrase or word from today's story will you remember? Comment below, practice using it, and keep watching to learn English through more celebrity stories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep learning English through real, trending stories. See you next time.